Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's. Have you ever wondered how to get that perfect hard or soft boiled egg? Well, I've got some foolproof procedures that will work every single time. Everyone has their own version of how to hard boiled eggs, and they're usually very passionate about their procedures. However, there are some techniques out there where the egg isn't even cooked and the shell is a mess. Well, here is how I get perfect soft and hard boiled eggs every time. We are going to start off by adding a large pot right to the stove top. Then we're going to fill it up with cold water about a half to 3/4 of the way full. Let's crank that heat on to high. In the meantime, we're going to take our eggs from the refrigerator out to room temperature, let them come up just a little bit. Also, because we're going to need some ice baths, and I have two separate types of hard-boiled eggs, hard and soft, we're going to fill up each container full with ice. Then we're going to top them off with water. Now at this stage, let's go back and have a look at our pot. We can see that the water is at a rolling boil. Now here is what I like to do, and be very careful when doing it. Use a slotted spoon, add in the eggs. Even if you have to do it one at a time, so be it, totally fine. Be very careful. I usually like to take that spoon all the way to the bottom of the pan and then gently roll the eggs off so that they do not crack. This is incredibly important. All right, for a soft boiled egg, it's going to take 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes, let's come back with that same slotted spoon, take them right from the boiling water, be careful, completely submerge them in the cold water. We want these to be completely cool, which is going to take about 5 or 6 minutes. For a hard-boiled egg, it's going to take 12 to 13 minutes. So we're going to come back after an additional 6 to 7. Let's take those out in the same manner. Now I'm going to put them in a separate ice bath just so I can distinguish what's soft and what's hard-boiled. After 5 to 6 minutes, everything should be cool. Let's start with cracking it. Here's what I do. I give it a soft tap, and then I roll it, and then I tap it on the bottom. Now I start peeling it at the bottom because that way we can get right into that membrane, and it should peel off with ease. It's okay if it doesn't come off in perfect two-piece shells. The whole point is to make sure you've got a perfect cooked egg, and the outside white is perfectly round. This looks excellent. Now for the soft boil, you got to be a little bit more careful. Gentle cracks, rolls, and you're going to have to piece this one apart very carefully because you can easily penetrate through that egg white. Give it a quick rinse in the water bath, and then boom. Here we go. To slice it, let's do our soft boiled egg. All right, excellent. Now for the hard boiled egg, sliced right in half. Now you've got perfect procedures for soft boiled eggs, for hard boiled eggs. It will work every time. I promise you, I've been doing it for years. The biggest secret, make sure your water's boiling. I can't say that enough, and be careful about dropping them in. All right, I've clearly got a lot of eggs to eat. See you next time.